If you know you get tight shoulders from perhaps sitting a little bit too long, sometimes shoulders can come forwards, you might be hunched over a little bit, try these TheraBand or resistance band exercises. We have 3 for you to try. You can link them all together or just find the one that works best for you and just repeat that one. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from PhysioFit Health. We're going to be using a red TheraBand for these stretches, which is a medium band, medium strength, and it's 1.5 meters long. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated when we publish our videos. So your first stretch with the band is holding it a bit wider than your shoulder width apart, so fairly loose to begin with, so you can check the range of movement you've got at the shoulder. You're going to straighten your arms and then slowly bring them all the way up to the ceiling, and then if you're able to, bring your hands and arms behind you, which should get you a really nice stretch at the front of the shoulder, and then return your arms forwards. Now I'd suggest doing just a couple of repetitions initially to see how you feel. Just check that these shoulders are feeling okay with that. If you want an extra stretch, if you're not quite feeling it, then hold the band a little bit closer together and then bring your arms up and over, and that should increase the stretch you're feeling at the front of the shoulders. The other thing you can do with this stretch is just spend a little bit of time with your arms behind the back and just do 5 or 6 repetitions, working within that range where you're feeling that stretch sensation. The second one you're going to do with the band is loop it around the back, and you're holding the ends of the bands. So your elbows start close to the body, they're bent at about 90 degrees. You're holding the band, you want it fairly loose to begin with, again, just to check the range of movement that you've got at your shoulders. Now you're going to start by squeezing your shoulder blades together, shoulders are down, and then bring these hands out to the side. So both of them come out to the side. You take them out as far as you're able to, and then once you've got that range, you are going to slowly straighten your elbows, which will raise your arms up a little bit. Should get you a stretch down the arms into the front of the shoulder. And then you're going to return. So slowly bend your elbows, they return to the side of the body, and then bring your arms forwards. So I'll go through that again. Arms are going to come out wide to begin with, and then you are going to straighten your arms, and then you're slowly going to return your elbows to the side of the body, and then return your hands and arms so they face forwards. If you want to, you can just make that band just that little bit tighter. Really up to you as to how it feels and if it's comfortable or not. With the second exercise stretches, aim for your 5 or 6 repetitions. You can be breathing out as you straighten these arms, and then you're breathing in as you return. Your third exercise is getting the hand behind the back. Grab the band with the right hand, and you're going to get the band behind your back. Bend that right elbow and hold onto the band with your left hand. Slowly you are going to straighten your right arm, which should then raise that left arm up just a little bit higher, and then you're going to ease off, bending the right elbow. That's going to lower your left hand. So it's just raising the right hand and lowering it back down again. We'll increase that stretch on the left shoulder, gets the hand behind the back, just gets a little bit of shoulder rotation. And then once you've done your 5 or 6 repetitions on that side, then you are going to repeat on the other side. So there are your 3 TheraBand shoulder stretches to try out. If you're wanting to know a little bit more about TheraBands and the different colours, different strengths, then we do have a video we've created on how to choose the right resistance band. Flexibility and range of movement are the building blocks, they're the foundation before you then add on top the strength and endurance exercises. So it's important to keep checking and keep working on your flexibility and that range of movement. Subscribe to keep updated with our videos, and we'll see you soon.